fidget spinners. They spin and you fidget. But which one should you choose? The $1 one or the $1,000 one? You're gonna find out today on Russian Vlogs. So let's begin the throw test. First we have the $1 fidget spinner. So for the throw test you gotta take it between your index finger and your thumb of your right hand, very important, the right hand, and you just gotta throw it. Well, I mean, it did pretty good, but I don't know. I think that the $1,000 fidget spinner has to do a bit better. We'll see.
Trees like mushroom. And so, with $10,000 fidget spinner, you have to do everything like George said, but take a look.
Well, you know, that was pretty good. I mean, $1,000 fidget spinner, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. So it went right here into the drone, so I guess we should do a drop test. Why not? A drop test. Yeah, a
drop test. Drop test.
Come on,
yeah, come on, drop test. Yeah.
Ooh, it worked. It's going down.
3, 2, 1, go!
Well, okay, now the hard part. Where did the fidget spinner go? This $5,000 fidget spinner. I mean, it's a pretty big feel, you know, so... Did you find it?
Yeah, it's over there. Oh my god, this $100,000 spinner survived!
We have been looking for it like for how much? Like half an hour?
I think a little bit more. Okay, so you can see that there are lots of scratches. And is it usable now?
Let's see. Is it usable?
Yeah, completely
Yes!
usable.
Completely usable.
Polюшка, поле.
Okay, so what do we do now?
What?
So now that we found it,
Yeah.
and it got here by flying through the throw test, we have to get back.
Yes, we have to get back.
Okay.
So launching 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so right now we're going home because the fidget spinner is flying towards the place we were filming.
Yeah.
In the at first. So the fidget spinner is flying there, and we're right now taking a taxi there. So I think the test was pretty successful. And
yeah.
so what do we recommend? The $1 fidget spinner or the 99,900 fidget spinner? Yeah, okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.
And please tell all your friends on Facebook and on Twitter and everywhere of this spectacular test, because if they want to choose a fidget spinner and they don't know what to buy, a $1 or a $6,000 fidget spinner, they can just watch this video. So please tell them about this.
And tell them about 100, 500, 1,000.
Okay, bye.